Hello, how to simplify this nice math problem without using calculator. 16 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 4 is equal to what? Solution. Then here, 16 to the power of 5 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 4. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn, then this can be written as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 5, this is 20, minus 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 4, that is 16. Then here we have 2 to the power of 16, so this can be written as 2 to the power of 16 plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 16. Now take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Then this can be written as 2 to the power of 16 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 16. Here 2 to the power of 16 is common. Let's bring it out. We have 2 to the power of 16 bracket this divided by this, we have 2 to the power of 4 minus this divided by this, 1. Then this is equal to 2 to the power of 16 bracket 2 to the power of 4 is 16 minus 1. Then this is equal to 2 to the power of 16 bracket 16 minus 1, this is 15. Now 2 to the power of 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 10 plus 6 multiplied by 15. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 6, then multiplied by this 15. Now 2 to the power of 10 is 1024 multiplied by 2 to the power of 6 is 64 multiplied by 15. Then this is equal to 1024 multiplied by 64 multiplied by 50 can be written as 10 plus 5. Then this is equal to 1024 multiplied by, here will be 64 multiplied by 10, that is 640, plus 64 multiplied by 5, that is 320. Then now we have 1024 multiplied by, here, 640 plus 320, that is 960. Now this is equal to 1024 multiplied by 960 can be written as 1000 minus 40. Now let's open the bracket. This is equal to 1024 multiplied by 1000. This is 1024,000 minus 1024 multiplied by 40. That is 40960. And this is equal to, let's subtract the two. We have 1024,000, and this is 40960. 0 minus 0, that is 0. Here we have 10. 6 from 10, 4. Then here 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Then here is 3. Then you have here in 12, that is 4 from 12, we have 8. Then this is 10, 9. So therefore, 16 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 4 is equal to 983040. And this is the final answer. This is also the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.